We just parked in Kwai River. Is that how we say it? Kwai River. So we're gonna take a walk there. Hey guys, we're at Kwai River. This is a little history about this. It's a pretty famous spot to visit. Kanchanaburi is on the borderline of Burma and Thailand. And during World War II, Japan built a railway along the river. It strands about 250 miles. It's called a Death Trail Railway. I'm not sure why. It must be some horrific stuff, but yeah, let's take a walk. It's a cool place to see. There's some cool shops here. You can get some food, some souvenirs. It seems like they might do some shows here or soap opera scenes in regards about World War II. Pretty cool site. A lot of people coming to visit. Just follow me. We're gonna take a walk and just check out the place. You can pay for a show. I believe it's a live show. It's going on right now. You can follow me. We're doing some dramatic scenery. We're walking around along the railroad. Yeah, so pretty much you pay for a ticket to watch a show. Here's the seatings over here. Pretty cool. I guess it must be with the history about the railway between Japan and Thailand in World War II. Here's the stage, guys. I'm pretty sure they get a good turnout. Look how many chairs there are. Look at the river though. Wait. Kwai River, look at Kwai River though. It's so beautiful. Like I said, Kanchanaburi is the border of Thailand and Burma, so you will see sometimes some Burmese people and Thai people. Come check it out. Follow me. You got some really nice restaurants over here if you look over the bridge. It's definitely a nice place for tourists to come visit, come check out. I highly recommend this place to come do something here. You see some historical stuff, great restaurants, cool merchandises. This is beautiful right here. Who wouldn't want to eat right here at this restaurant right there? We just got to our resort. We're gonna be checking in our resort. It's really beautiful. Give you a little tour. I mean, right on the river, you're gonna see a beautiful river. We just had a great day in Kanchanaburi. We visited a lot of sites. We just checked in our resort. The resort is called Boutique Raft Resort, and our hotel is basically on the river, the Kwai River. So why don't I give you a little tour? Here's a little room right here. Probably gonna go a little water rafting a little bit. So look how sweet this is. Look how sweet this hotel is. Good recommendations. If you guys ever come down, book this hotel. So let's go in right here. Here's our bathroom. How sweet is this? Our sink, our shower, no really drainage sewage, just because the water's just going through the cracks back to the river. It's pretty sweet. You can follow me here. Come check this out. It's like a nice little cabin in here. Here's our 2 beds. Just enough size, just enough room. Nice little drink. But the best catch right here is right here in the back. Our little deck right here. The deck goes out right into the river, Kwai River. All about the scenery here. It's all about the scenery here, guys. This is what you're paying yourself for. It's a good price too, guys. Yeah, so come to Boutique Raft Resort. Come stay here, come relax. Definitely a nice relaxing area. It's beautiful out here, nice and quiet. You can go do some lot of activities, water rafting, some great restaurants. Right in Kanchanaburi. So this is a little, check it out, look how beautiful that is. Pretty sick right here, you can lay down, read a book. Pretty romantic. Definitely come with someone you love, a girlfriend, a wife. I don't think you want to come here with three, four dudes. It's because you might be kind of bored. Definitely a nice family get together or a couples retreat. So let's go up here. We got a restaurant here too. The resort has a restaurant. We can come through here. Here you can get a glimpse of the jungle a little bit. Look at this. The jungle's freaking scary, guys. You guys think just because you guys live in the hood, you guys think you're tough. Shit gets real in the jungle. You don't know what happens in the jungle. Here you can swim. This is a swimming pool right here. Check out the swimming pool in the river. I advise you to swim here, not where the river is, because the stream's gonna take you over to the property. The stream's gonna, you know. Like I said, I advise you to swim here in the swimming pool. You don't need to go to the river. Look at the stream, it's pretty strong. You might get taken away if you're not a good swimmer. So definitely take a swim, dip in here if you guys don't mind the river. Doesn't get better than this. How wouldn't you want to wake up? Why wouldn't you want to wake up this like this? This is beautiful. Doesn't get better than this. Beautiful scenery. Look at the fog. Look at the Kwai River. Doesn't get better than this, guys. So today we're gonna have a little fun today. Just woke up, getting ready to head out. We're gonna go check out the waterfall, Sai Yok Waterfall. I heard it's really beautiful out there. Hey guys, we just arrived to Sai Yok Waterfall. Take a little tour and walk. Follow us. These are some Russian writing. I told you a lot of Russian people like to come to Thailand. But it says, do not sell, do not drink alcohol. We just got here at Sai Yok Noi. Basically it means the small waterfall. This is a smaller one, there's a bigger one, Sai Yok Yai. You can see some people are swimming. You can go over there and actually touch the water. I'm not sure, there's a lot of tourist groups. I wouldn't really want to wear a bikini. I think that's for the beach, but that's a pretty cool place to come check out. So let's go walk around. So if you look at the rocks, the ones are dark or slippery, the ones are brown and dry. They're the dry ones. We just ordered some food. Look at all the food we got here. Got some fried rice, some som tam, kayang, some pork, some short ribs. Enjoying a nice picnic, eating some really good food. Some really great food out here, guys. This is what I love about Thailand.